Hello and welcome to our financial aid reward tutorial. We know how intimidating this whole financial aid process can be, but you have Husky grit. And now, this video. So let's get this done together, shall we? We're going to walk you through the steps on how to accept or decline your financial aid reward through your MyNIU student system. Let's start there. Once you're at your MyNIU system homepage, go ahead and click on the financial aid tile. Make sure you're in the right academic year, located in the upper left corner. As part of the tutorial, we're going to travel back in time to the 2018-2019 academic year. Our financial aid reward summary is listed here. Click on Accept Decline, then click on Accept Decline Rewards. That'll initiate everything for you so you can make edits to your financial aid package. So for example here, our scholarships are already accepted because we automatically accept scholarships and grants for you. We also have loans and work-study eligibility. Now we have some options. With these rewards, you can accept, decline, or if you change your mind at some point, go back and reset. So let's say we go ahead and accept our subsidized loan. That gives us an option to reduce the amount. We're offered $5,500 for the year in a subsidized loan. Maybe we don't need $5,500 for the year. Maybe we only need, say, $3,000. All right, let's reduce that amount. Do you want to reduce the subsidized loan? Yes. So now that's been accepted. But wait, maybe I do need the whole $5,500. Let's go ahead and reset that. Do you want to reset this now? Why yes, I would. Now we reset that back to the original offered amount. Now we will accept the full amount for the unsubsidized loan. And while we're at it, we'll go ahead and accept our federal work-study eligibility as well. As you can see, everything will be moved from offered to accepted. From here, we'll go ahead and submit. Do you want to submit this award decision? Yes, I do. Now we are notified here that our reward has been successfully submitted, and we're all done. That's it. We did it. It will move to pending aid, and that aid will disperse to your account after the add drop period each semester or within 2 to 3 business days if the add drop period has already passed. For law students, financial aid will disperse after the first week of classes. We hope this helps, but if you have any questions, please contact the Financial Aid and Scholarship Office.